everyone, coming to you with another fun DIY project. Today we are turning this dollar store nail polish remover bottle into this bedazzled astringent, in my case rose water, pump dispenser. Start by removing the label from a clean bottle. I'm adding a touch of personalization by adding some jewels to the pump dispenser. Careful not to put them too high because of the pump action. I'm adding a few dried rose buds to my bottle, which will diffuse through the rose water. I'm using regular grocery store rose water. It has rose extract. It was under $2. It smells wonderful. This is awesome because it's a pump dispenser and you don't have to turn your bottle over. This is why I decided to repurpose this bottle. Now you could add another layer of personalization by creating a personal label for yourself. I did this on Zazzle.com. I just love the convenience of a pump and see my roses are already diffusing.